In this guide, you'll learn how to enable or disable 18 plus content on X or Twitter account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then head over to the website X or the Twitter, provide your credentials and log into your account. To adjust this setting, you will need to log into your account in the web version. Once logged in, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Now select the option Settings. Click on the option Privacy and Safety. Navigate to the option Content UC. Here you're going to find this option Display Media that may contain sensitive content. If you want to enable it, check in for this option. If you want to disable it, uncheck for this option. Click on the option Search Settings. If you want to disable sensitive content, check in for this option Hide Sensitive Content. If you want to enable it, uncheck for this option, and that's it. With these settings, you'll be good to go. This way you can easily enable or disable 18 plus content on X. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.